Hi! How to make paper decorations with hearts. Take a rectangular sheet of paper, like a standard printer sheet, a 4 or letter. Place the paper so that the long side is closer to you. Fold the bottom edge of the paper up to the top edge. Align the edges carefully. Press firmly along the fold line. Unfold the paper. Take the scissors and cut along the freshly made fold. Take one strip of paper. Fold it in half. Press along the fold. Fold it in half again. Press along the fold. Take a pencil and draw a pattern. Cut along the drawn lines with scissors. Carefully unfold the paper. You'll have a beautiful heart paper decoration. You can make several garlands like this and glue them together.